The main thing that we are urging residents is just to please stay off the roads, do not travel. If it's essential and if you must, do it with extreme caution.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Overdrive Media. Today, as I mentioned in my last video, it was supposed to snow. It delivered, and we're supposed to get more snow, but the roads are finally somewhat clear. And I started Crown Vic and moved it back and forth to see how well it did in the snow in the yard, and it actually moved without hesitation. But I did hear that these things are good in snow, but I never experienced it myself, and that's going to be the topic of today's video, plus some snow fun. So fingers crossed, knock on wood, the cops don't want to, be petty about people having fun in the snow in parking lots, but let's see what happens. But yeah, so we're going to test the theory. Is Crown Vics, or are Crown Vics a good winter vehicle? And I think they are already, because they're heavy. Yes, they're rear-wheel drive, that's what throws people off at first, but yeah, they're heavy, and this thing's got a lot of extra weight in the trunk, like a huge floor jack and all that stuff, so this thing is ready to go. It doesn't have winter tires, but it does have all seasons, so let's see how they do. So far it seems to do good in the actual snow out here. So alright, so already let this thing warm up to melt the ice off of it earlier, but so there might not be much of a cold start, but let's see. Yeah, it ain't much, but it does look like snow flurries are slowly trying to pick up. So yeah, hopefully we get a little bit more. I wouldn't mind just a little bit more, because we hardly get snow around here. It's crazy. We used to get snow literally all the time, like 5 to 6 years ago, and it used to be like this, but like 5 or 6 times a year. But now we barely even get this once a year. All right, so let's go and see how this little trip goes. Oh, watch not want to move now. That'll be messed up. Like I said, it doesn't have winter tires on it, so that probably has a little bit of a factor. Yep, we're good. Oh, my wipers actually start working now. Awesome. Yeah, the wipers like to go in and out on this car. I think a relay is going bad, but unfortunately the relays are inside the wiper motor, so you have to replace the whole thing. Since I got my camera mounted, you can't really see the snow too well, but trust me, I'm getting a POV on my phone for you guys right now. The roads are a little slushy still, so definitely got to still take it easy. Oh no, the car's not doing bad. This side street might be a mistake that I'm about to pull into. Oh yeah, I am not doing that right now. That is all snow. This is side street that I was gonna pull into. It is literally all snow. But yeah, this parking lot right here is all snow. All right, I got the other camera, the Pocket 3, up on a tripod, tracking the car. But yeah, guys, I guess we pack up the tripod and see if we can get this thing out of here, which we can. This is going to take a little bit of work. Worst case, I'll get Mr. Man over there to pull me out, but I shouldn't have a problem getting out of this. Yep, we finally got her out. This whole place is covered. That's how embarrassed we got ourselves as a spectator. And he's like doing this. I know my wife is watching this, wondering if I'm beating the hell out of her car. I promise I'm not. I'm being very gentle on the gas, not over revving at all. Alright, there's an exit up there. That's covered with snow and uphill, so I don't think I can go up there. Oh, we got a guy in the truck drifting behind us too. Alrighty, I think that is enough fun for today. Car is a little bit rowdy, and I don't want cops to hear it or people to call and complain because they're nosy Karens worried about people having fun in the snow. But this thing needs to spin both tires. I need to change the rear end in this thing so bad. Yeah, right now I'm just creeping around second gear. Second gear is like the key gear for tough situations. I'm surprised Ollie's is open. I mean, I guess I'm not, but at the same time, like, you would think they would have cleared this out if there's businesses more open. Man, this car is so fun. Rear-wheel drive is so fun if you have the right car for it in the snow. Okay, I got created to this light so I don't, you know, accidentally push myself out there.